We are at Wetlands Park in Las Vegas. Well, Henderson, I think. Hey, look, there's still some flowers on the tree. Interesting. Yeah, it's November 1st. See, my husband's still wearing shorts. Oh, yeah. I should turn on my thingy that says I'm exercising. Any outdoor walk. Okay. We are at Wetlands Park. We're in Las Vegas. There's still some flowers on the trees and bushes. I wanted to come out here because there's supposed to be a lot of wildlife. But as you can see, it's only 61, but my husband's still wearing shorts. I have a sweatshirt on, a t-shirt, and I have joggers on, so I'm a little bit warmer. I figured dressing in layers would be the smart way to do it. That way if I get hot, which it doesn't look like the sun's going to come out today. Might be raining over there. I smell rain. It's a little further away. I didn't even check to see if it was going to rain today. But look, still flowers and stuff. I don't know if we'll see anything. Although this is what I love about the desert. See how pretty it is? Occasionally get someplace like this that's a wetland. See more flowers. If I tip is, I'm sorry, I forgot to bring my cane. So today I got up and I rode for half an hour, and then I lay down for a minute and asked him when he's going for a walk, and he says in 10 minutes. So I got up and took a shower, and I talked him into coming out here. Rather, he was going to do 3 parks. Hey, Ralph.
What? Did Holly do that? Where?
There, and way over there.
What's your problem?
Yeah, you all had to hear about that, didn't you? So now he's got to clean up because he just kept walking when she was squatting. Yay. Yeah, I'm not bending over. We don't want to fall. I've been very Meniersy lately, either with vertigo or just dizziness, a lot of tipsiness. I don't walk normal. I walk more like a drunk person. So we're going to take that way or that way. Ralph wants to take the Coyote Bowl. Duck Creek Coyote Howl. I said it was bowl. It says howl. This way we're going. Like somebody walked through the concrete when it was wet. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of this. If I see anything interesting, I'll try to either get a picture or turn you back on. But see how pretty it is? You can tell it's fall. In the desert, you can't tell so much. But look at the gorgeous colors. The little dog doesn't really like this. She's like, I don't want to walk. I'm too old for this. Okay, well, Holly doesn't know which way to go on this trail because she hasn't been here before. I haven't been here before. Ralph may have been, because he already knew it was far away. Yeah, it took us over 30 minutes to get here from our house in southwest Las Vegas. We're in Henderson, like in the far, far, far reaches of Henderson. Yeah, I know I said I was going to hang up. Maybe I'll take some pictures. Talk to you guys later. Bye. So it looks like they may have had a fire out here. I don't know if it was a controlled fire to get rid of some of the brush, but it definitely looks like some things got burned. Even over here, this tree looks a little bit burnt. So this kind of looks like we're in a corn maze. Of course, we have sidewalk, but not gonna lose our way. I just thought I'd tell you it's not corn, but it kind of looks like you could do a nice maze here. And there's a husband and the dogs, and he's carrying the little one. Uh-oh, big dog coming. Chewy, do not let Chewy see. So we had to turn around because we came to the end of the trail and it said this feeding area is for birds only. All others stop. So now we're going back the other way. But I just thought I'd show you a little bit of the pretty sunrise over there behind the mountains. It's not very much because the sun came out a little while ago, but you can see some of the color. Okay, it looks like another one of those areas that may have been a controlled burn. As you can see, life will go on after things burn. Okay, it doesn't look like Holly's too confused. She stopped for a second, like she wanted to go to the left, but Chewy was going to the right. I mean, going forward, and so was Ralph. So Holly decided to go that way. This is the way to the car, Holly. Yep. Guess there's a nature trail, but we can't take the dogs. We didn't see much of nature today. Saw some birds, and that was about it. And some planes, lots of planes. See, planes flying overhead. And I still think it's raining over there. Okay, we're almost back to the parking lot. I just wanted to tell you all, thank you for watching. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really do appreciate it. We're getting closer to 300. I think only 2 more people to go, but we're trying to get to 500 and then 1,000. Bye. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. So ahead of us, to the left, is a bunch of quail. I believe they're quail. I'm going with quail because look, they're running in a pack. Yeah. And there they go. On to the other side because they hear us coming. Anyways, I'm going to get in the car. Have a great day.